Welcome everyone. I'm going to show you the Box 500 and the Box 250. So on the ground here we've got the Box 500. Up here on the table we've got the Box 250. You can see that the cases are very sturdy. It's a super hard plastic designed for shipping and withstanding a lot of movement. The Box 500 here on the ground has a total of 4 handles. I'll turn this around for you. We've got 2 handles right here. This is really for lifting. This is more for carrying the case. There is a handle on the front. That's your 3rd handle, and then another handle on the side. All of the cases are going to have a padlock. You might have 1 or more padlocks on there. When you do put in the code, you can press the button, open it up right there. Very easy. And then to move the case, you're going to use the big handle right here. We've got some wheels on the back side here on the bottom. So you grab the big handle, pull it up, and you can easily take that with you and be on your way. We'll just open up the box real quickly. You've got some small little clamps here. Got a clamp there, clamp in the front. There's 3, 2 on the side. You can see it's very well locked down, and then there's the contents of your box. 250 is very similar in terms of how you open it, so you see the different sizes. Thank you.